11 surgeons from SSM Health have left the hospital system and opened their own private practice. SSM Health has filed a lawsuit in response, leaving questions about what's next.
As their new space opens to patients in a celebration this afternoon, our Catherine Merck asked one surgeon about his reason for joining the independent group. Catherine?
As these surgeons' move is in the midst of a legal battle, the leader of the Orthopedic and Spine Centers of Wisconsin says his mission is to make sure his patients are the ones that come out on top.
Healthcare doesn't need to be a zero-sum game.
That two-sided back and forth is something Jason Sansoni is familiar with. He's one of the former SSM Health surgeons currently in a lawsuit after leaving the hospital system to open a private practice in Madison.
If you were to ask me when I was a medical student or a resident if I would be at the helm of starting an independent practice, wouldn't have even dreamed of it. It's been a really rewarding and exciting journey.
He didn't comment on the details of the lawsuit. Rather, he says he's focused on opening his new space for patients to get care.
You have two jobs when you're here. One is you need to be a good human being, and two, you need to take best-in-class care of patients. That's it.
We reached out to SSM Health for comment on the opening of the Orthopedic and Spine Centers of Wisconsin and how they've managed staffing since the leave from SSM. The system told us, quote, SSM Health continues to provide comprehensive orthopedic services across our region. We have recruited and continue to recruit highly qualified orthopedic surgeons.
There's room for all sorts of stakeholders in that ecosystem, and the biggest thing is, are those stakeholders driving value from the perspective of a patient?
And while his own zero-sum game with his former employer isn't over, Sansoni says his practice will be a place where every patient has a way to be successful.
We have no problem navigating and helping to create that ecosystem for all the patients in this region to ensure that they're simply getting the best, highest quality, most appropriate, and most cost-effective care.
On top of the original 11 who left SSM Health, a surgeon from UW Health has now also come to join the private practice as well.